Welcome back, students, in the second and the final part of chapter 1. In the first part of this chapter, we have learned about importance of food and different food groups. Now in this section, we will study about dietary fiber and water, balanced diet, preservation of food, and the importance of rest, posture and exercise in our life. So today our first topic is dietary fiber. What is dietary fiber? The part of the plant food that cannot be digested is called dietary fiber. It helps to remove waste materials from our body. Food items such as cereals, corns, green leafy vegetables and fruits contain fiber. Now come to the next topic, water. Water is very important part of our diet. Our body needs water for all its functions. We should drink plenty of water. So our next topic is balanced diet. A diet that has all nutrients in the right amount, dietary fiber and water is called balanced diet. The picture shows some food items that make a balanced diet. In order to stay healthy, we should eat food items from each of these food groups daily. Now come to the next topic, preservation of food. The food items that are stored for a long period of time for later use. Preservation of food prevents it from getting spoiled. We can do it in many ways. First is drying, then pickling, refrigerating, deep freezing, canning and bottling. In drying, we remove the water content of the food. For example, drying grapes to get raisins. In pickling, mixing of fruits and vegetables with salt and oil. For example, mixing mango, lime and other vegetables with oil and salt. In refrigerating process, we keep food in the fridge to preserve it for a short time. For example, keeping cooked food and fresh vegetables in the fridge. Deep freezing. Keeping food in the freezer to preserve it for a longer time. For example, keeping meat and fish in the freezer. Canning and bottling. Storing food in cans and bottles. For example, bottling of sauces and jams. Now the next and the last topic of this chapter is the importance of rest, posture and exercise in our life. Our body needs rest for proper functioning. We need 6 to 8 hours of sleep in a day. Lack of sleep may result in improper functioning of our body organs. It can make us fall ill. Our next topic is posture. It refers to body position. It is important for us to keep our backs upright while sitting or standing. Incorrect posture over a long period of time can lead to pain in joints and muscles. Next topic is exercise. It is very important to stay healthy. So regular exercise and playing outdoor games such as hockey, football and cricket help us to stay fit. Yoga, an ancient method of exercise practice in India, also helps in keeping our body fit. So that's all in this chapter. I hope you all now understand about the basic concept of food, rest, exercise and correct posture in our life. Thank you.